Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about this stunning pure viscose Georgette satin pitta Jaipuri dye bandage saree. It's the perfect combination of elegance and comfortable, making it a must-have for any occasion. And the best part, it's only priced $8.90. The fabric is incredibly soft, lightweight, and making it easy way to wear all day long. The big satin pitta add a touch of luxury to the saree, and the Jaipuri print bandage design is simply breathtaking. It's a perfect blend of traditions and modern style. This saree is perfect for any formal or semi-formal event. You can dress it up with some beautiful jewelry and pair of heels, or keep it simple with some delicate sandal. The positively are endless, and overall I highly recommended this pure viscose Jaipuri big satin butter plain dyed Jaipuri print bandage saree to anyone who want to look style and feel comfortable at the same time. At only $8.90, it's absolutely still. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and if you want to purchase this saree guys, the next link is in description box. You can check it out. Guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video, for supporting me, and for being a part of my journey. I couldn't have done it without you. Creating content is something that I am truly passionate about, and it's means the world to me that you guys enjoy it too. Your likes, comment, and share means more than you know. I am grateful for the community that we have built together. It's amazing to see people from all over the world coming together to share their love for the thing that we are passionate about. So till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.